Assalamualaikum everyone. Today I am in my grandmother's house. তুমি কথা বলো না। Hello. Today I'll show my grandmother's house. My sister. English. Assalamualaikum. She's a boba. Today I'll show my grandmother's house. My grandfather made this house aloo bharta. This is my grandmother.
কি করছো?
ব্লগ করতেছি। This is my বড় আম্মা। She is eating dates. This is the balcony. Belkasina. मैं तो शीशे के देख के देखा